Look, I have some issues with my handwriting here. I hope it's fine.
It's fine, miss. It's fine.
Okay. Now, what is accounting? Like, look, dear, accounting is the art. It's the art of recording. I'll explain each and every term. Let me write it. Oh my God, my handwriting seems very much poor. Let me use it. Okay. R-E-C-O-R. Recording, classifying, and summarizing. In a significant manner. Look, dear, it is the art of like, what does accounting do? As its name implies, accounts. It means that we have to maintain the account of every term, each and every transaction. Like I'm selling anything to you. I need to record it anywhere. Otherwise, if I thought that I'll remind everything, no, there are n number of transactions happens here. So we need to record everything. Fine. So accountancy is the art of recording the things, classifying the things, summarizing, classifying. Now, what do you mean by classify? Classify means like you purchased something from me and you paid cash for it. That's okay, fine. Then if you purchase something for me and you are not paying it right now, you'll tell me that I'll pay it 2 days later or something. So I need to classify the accounts that this transaction is on credit mode. The payment has not been received yet. This payment is in cash mode. This payment directly goes to my bank account. So n number of transactions. So we need to classify them so that it will be easy for us to manage it later on. Summarizing. If we are maintaining the records in a detailed form, that can you please tell me your name? I'm really having some
Nicole.
Macaulay, fine. If the transaction is like send 50 goods to Macaulay, so how will I write? Am I need to write everything one by one, run the 50 records? No, it will be very much problematic for me at the last. So I need to make a summarized transaction form. Everything should be in just a manner so that if I'm just have a look of all the things, it will be okay. That's fine. These are the 50 transactions that are sold to Macaulay. Okay. Right. So it will be in a significant manner. Now, what type of transactions we are taking in accounts? Okay. Okay. So what type of transactions we always have to take care? We just need to take care of the transaction that are regarding to money, related to money only. We believe in quantity. We don't believe in quality. How much things you are purchasing, what type of things doesn't matter. Like if I'm selling you a number of items and you are coming back to me and said, look, I used your product, that this quality is very bad. I said, ma'am, you purchased this thing, you have to pay for it. We really don't care about things, because in accounts, how will you rate the quality? Like if I'm saying I'm using this pan tap and this is very good, can you rate this? How very good can be represented in numbers? 4 out of 5, 5 out of 5, 3 out of 5. So we cannot represent the quality in any term. So accounts only take care of quantity terms. Fine.
Yeah.
All the financial transactions. I hope my writing is now clear.
Yeah, miss, it's clear.
Thank you. First one who is saying this. Thank you so much. All right. Money, financial transactions. We have to maintain all the financial transactions. The transactions regarding to the finance. Finance means the regarding to the money. All terms are similar, but why I'm telling you in different ways, because in the exam, the question will become explain accounting features of. So you will have to write it n number of lines of like lot of things we have to write. So how you
Yeah.
will gonna write it? You need a good paragraph. So by these points you can classify. Like you can make the paragraph. I'm just writing it in a notes manner.
Okay.
Financial transactions quantity, and third one is recording. We need to record everything. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, meaning of accounting, I hope it's clear to you. Now,
Yeah.
we are having a 4 points. Like, what are the aspects of accounting? Fine. So there are 2 aspects. First is generating financial information. And the second one is using the financial information. Okay. So first, let me explain you generating financial information. In your notebooks or in your textbooks, this topic is in the name of features of accounting something. Some people call it features, some people call it nature, some people call it characteristic. Fine. So any
Yeah.
name, just note down. Okay, so what are the points over here? First is recording. The points I wrote down in definition, classifying, summarizing, analyzing. Why my handwriting? Analyzing, interpreting, communicating. Fine. So these are the 5 points. Now, 6, actually 6. Now, how is recording? Look, recording we will got to know by the name of bookkeeping also.
Okay.
Or recording. I'm explaining it in a deep manner because these points are quite important.
Okay.
Recording means bookkeeping. Look, you can just read this name, bookkeeping. It means we have to maintain the book. We have to keep the book. Now, books for what? Books for the financial records. Books for the transactions. So bookkeeping means in which you are recording all the transactions, all the financial transactions. Bookkeeping means you lives in UAE.
Yeah, I do.
Result of class 11 board declared.
Miss, I'm in 10th grade.
Like someone, like any information regarding them?
My boards are next year, actually.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Bookkeeping means in which you will record all the financial transactions. All right.
Okay.
Recording is clear.
Yeah.
Now, classifying. Classifying means it's a systematic analysis of recorded data with a group of transactions or entries in one nature, one place. Look, you have to classify the data in so many following manners. Like first you make the journal entries, then you make ledger, then you make trial balance and a lot of things.
Yeah.
Lot of things. So we are classifying it in lot of manners.
Okay.
Then summarizing.